So, yeah, if giving love, understanding, and kindness is man's ultimate goal, when are you allowed to be angry? Again, if giving love, understanding, and kindness is man's ultimate goal, when are you allowed to be angry?
Thank you very much for that very personal question. So we know, ladies and gentlemen, that every single individual in the world, we always ask for love, understanding, and even kindness. This is something that we can give and something that we can receive from other people for free. It is what we call the intangible things in the world that make it the most amazing world that we have. However, in the question, when can we get angry? I believe that being angry, this is something that when it comes to a personal experience, it depends on the person whether you be angry or whether you be understanding. Because in tantamount of both things, you can be understanding without getting angry. You can always give love without getting angry. Why do I say so? Because part of the LGBT community, lagi po kaming kinukutsa at inaapakan. Ngunit hindi po kami nagagalit. Bagkus, kami po ay umiintindi sa mga taong galit sa amin, sa mga umaapak sa aming pagkatao. Kami po ay nagmamahal because that is who and what we are. We are what we call a waterfall. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-intindi at pagmamahal sa ating ito. And we will never give what we receive dahil never po namin ipararamdam sa ibang tao kung ano ang hinanakit na aming nararamdaman bilang parte ng LGBT. Why? Because in the philosophy of Stoicism, that is the philosophy of LGBTs, that we will always choose to be strong. Nevertheless, with all of the hindrances and adversities that we experience here on this earth, dahil kahit gaano pa karami ang maranasan namin paghihirap, we will choose to be strong, understanding, and lovable. Hindi po kami nagagalit dahil lagi po natin pakatatandaan, madali lang po magalit sa ibang tao. Ngunit ang pagmamahal, manggagaling lang po yan sa isang tunay at nakakaintinding individual dito sa ating mundo. And that, ladies and gentlemen, I am the epitome of understanding love because I am a trans mother and a transgender teacher. Kung papairalin ko po ang palaging galit, paano na lamang po ang kinabukasan ng aking anak, ng aking mga estudyante, kung sila mismo hindi ko alam intindihin. Because in this world, we lack understanding. But let's always remember, there's always democratic conversations in between things. Pwede naman pong pag-usapan at pwede naman pong ayusin. And that would be my answer. Thank you so much.
Very well said. Thank you so much, our finalist. Candidate number 2.